Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Musescore with the score open. Make sure you are not in note input mode. Press N to toggle. Once you click a rest, it becomes highlighted. That visual confirms selection. You can shift plus click to expand the selection across measures or staves. Now delete the rest by pressing delete or backspace. You do this because deleting a rest removes only that rest glyph, leaving bar structure intact. This is faster than re-entering notes when you just need silence removed. Once you need to remove several rests, select Arrange with Shift plus click or press Ctrl plus A to get everything, then delete to clear visible rests. You might notice some rests reappear. Make sure you check voice assignment because rests can belong to different voices and be hidden. You can open the inspector to change note/rest visibility or to reveal invisible rests. If a rest belongs to another voice, switch to that voice and delete it. This prevents accidental measure structure changes later. You finish by playing the passage to confirm the rest is gone and then save under a new name to preserve the change. If a rest persists, inspect voice layers, switch to the voice that holds the rest and delete it there because invisible rests can be voice-specific. Make sure measure durations still add up. If things shift, immediately use undo or revert to your saved version. This solves most issues. If not, check that no staff or system properties are forcing rests to display.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.